Welcome back to Fixing Expert, your go-to channel for all home improvement tips and tricks. Today, we're exploring the best window blinds for Dubai homes. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's aesthetics or control the amount of sunlight, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the types of blinds that perfectly suit the Dubai lifestyle. Type 1, Roller Blinds. First up, roller blinds. These sleek and simple blinds are ideal for Dubai's sunny weather. They offer excellent light control, UV protection, and come in a variety of materials and colors to match your decor. Roller blinds are easy to operate and can be automated for a modern touch. Type 2, Venetian Blinds. Next, we have Venetian blinds. Known for their classic style, these blinds are perfect if you want flexibility in light control and privacy. Available in materials like aluminum, wood, and PVC, Venetian blinds are both stylish and functional, making them a popular choice for Dubai homes. Type 3, Vertical Blinds. Vertical blinds are perfect for large windows and patio doors. Their vertical slats allow you to easily adjust the light and maintain privacy. These blinds are especially great for Dubai's modern, spacious homes, offering both elegance and practicality. Type 4, Roman Blinds. Roman blinds bring a touch of luxury to any space. These fabric blinds fold neatly when raised and offer a soft, elegant look when lowered. They're perfect for creating a cozy, sophisticated vibe in bedrooms and living rooms. Type 5, Cellular Shades. If energy efficiency is your priority, cellular shades are the way to go. Their honeycomb structure traps air, providing excellent insulation to keep your home cool during Dubai's hot summers. Plus, they're stylish and come in various colors and patterns. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more home improvement tips from Fixing Expert. Comment below and let us know which blinds you're thinking of adding to your home. See you in the next video.